Welcome to the lesson on computers and manufacturing. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to describe the importance of computers in manufacturing and discuss the applications of computer-aided design in electric vehicle manufacturing. Computers have integrated almost all aspects of our daily lives, and manufacturing is no exception. From the first steps in manufacturing design to quality control, computers continuously reshape manufacturing processes. Though initially they were mainly used in industry for business functions such as payroll, it is now very common to have product designs, process plans, and production schedules generated by and communicated via computer programs. Design, the first step in any manufacturing effort, involves both creativity and repetitive tasks. The latter are a perfect match for computer applications, which can reduce the overall cost of the design process. Design software includes, amongst others, geometric modeling, design review, and evaluation. When such software is used, the process is called computer-aided design, abbreviated as CAD. Some examples of CAD software include Creo, CATIA, and SolidWorks. Simulation is the use of software to produce an imitation of a process. The advantage of simulation in manufacturing lies in that it allows the user to test scenarios that would normally be too costly or infeasible. Thanks to this flexibility and increased reliability, simulation can be used to make business decisions. Additionally, in some instances, it is also used for personnel training. Computer systems, including automated production scheduling systems used as support for manufacturing planning and control, are called computer-aided manufacturing systems, abbreviated as CAM. CAM systems can be used to produce step-by-step procedures on how and when to create products in the plant. They also enable computers to communicate instructions directly to the machines involved in the production process, including transportation systems. CAD and CAM are often linked to support an integrated manufacturing system, which is a manufacturing structure in which the production processes are considered holistically for planning and control purposes. CAD and CAM systems play an important role across the entire electric vehicle manufacturing process. In electric motor production, these systems enable electronic design optimization while providing electromagnetic simulation capabilities, streamlining the automated coil winding and assembly processes. For battery systems, CAD and CAM facilitate automated cell assembly and optimize pack layouts while incorporating critical thermal management design and safety integration features. The vehicle chassis development benefits from these systems through lightweight structure design and automated robotic welding, complemented by comprehensive stress analysis and aerodynamic modeling capabilities. During vehicle integration, CAD-CAM ensures precision in component assembly through strict tolerance control, while optimizing system packaging and harness routing for maximum efficiency. In summary, the main objective of manufacturing support systems is to efficiently plan, set up, manage, and control manufacturing processes. One very important manufacturing support system is the use of computers in manufacturing. Resources such as computer-aided design, simulations, computer-aided manufacturing systems, and integrated manufacturing systems all help companies to plan their production processes and to monitor and manage their systems. Thank you.